Now let's move toward the next topic, that is consuming API in Node.js. What is API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. You might have heard about the Google APIs, Google Navigation Services, Facebook APIs, Twitter, and there are many different services which provides the weather forecast, currency conversion, and many more. But what API does? It accept the request and return the response. Response can be XML, JSON, or any other data format. But most of the time, the response expected from the API is JSON. If you ask for XML, API will give you back the XML. If you ask for JSON, API will give you back the JSON, and this is called as content negotiation in APIs. Now, in order to practice with the API, you need an API ready for your use. For that, many different available sites which provides the endpoint and in turn return some JSON data. So this is dummy.restapiexample.com, which provide a sample endpoint, and based on this it returns the list of employee to you, and the data appears like this, and it is in JSON array. There are few more endpoints for this website, like employee oblique one, where you pass the employee ID one and you will get only single JSON for the single employee. These endpoints I'll provide within the description section of the video, so you can check the particular website. Whenever you see this data, it is completely in the raw format and it is quite difficult sometimes to read it. To make this data readable, you can download some Google extensions. So go to Google and search for JSON formatter Chrome extension if you are using Google Chrome. Then click on the JSON formatter Google Chrome extension section, and you will see that JSON formatter website will open, and which will have the option for add into the Chrome. Since I have already added this extension onto my Chrome, their option appears here is remove from the Chrome. But what happens when you install this particular JSON formatter extension? Whenever you are getting any data, JSON data from any API, the data is available in this raw format, and just click on the parsed section at the top right corner. This appears only after installation of the JSON formatter, and the data will be available in organized format. Many a times you will be requiring to deal with the JSON data, and I would suggest you to install this JSON formatter Google Chrome extension, which will help you understand what kind of data is coming back. Now if you look at, you can see that this particular API is giving me back the status, and the status is success, and it is returning the data which is an array of 24 items. So it is very easily readable. If I actually again work with this tree structure, I can see that there are individual employees which has ID, employee name, salary, employee age, and other stuff. So it makes us that particular JSON readable using this extension. So we'll work with few more sample websites and API endpoints available for practice and consuming those API into our node application. Stay tuned.